Should we allow Pakistani artists to work here? Now, there are two answers, and both of them equally logical. And you can, toss a coin to find the right answer.
जावेद अख्तर का बयान पहलगाम अटैक के बाद पाकिस्तानी आर्टिस्ट्स को देकर जावेद अख्तर ने दी अपनी राय।
We block Pakistani artists in India. Who are we pleasing in Pakistan? The army and the fundamentalists. This is what they want.
पहलगाम में हाल ही में हुए आतंकवादी हमले ने देश को काफी हिलाकर रख दिया है। लोग अभी भी निर्दोष लोगों की मौत का गम मना रहे हैं। इस ट्रेजेडी ने सिर्फ गुस्सा और दुखी नहीं, बल्कि एक बार फिर से ये सवाल उठाया है कि क्या पाकिस्तानी आर्टिस्ट्स को इंडिया में काम करने की परमिशन मिलनी चाहिए। ये मुद्दा तब और भी ज्यादा गर्म हो गया जब ये रिपोर्ट आई कि फवाद खान की अगली फिल्म अबीर गुलाल इंडिया में रिलीज नहीं होगी। अब वेटरन स्क्रीन राइटर और पोएट जावेद अख्तर ने इस इशू पर अपनी राय दी है।
This could be thought in better times, and hopefully after some years, some sense will prevail, and there will be better attitude towards India from the establishment of Pakistan, and then this can be considered. But at the moment, this question should not be asked. Not possible.
उन्होंने भारत और पाकिस्तान के बीच के कल्चरल एक्सचेंज की हिस्ट्री के बारे में बात की। उन्होंने समझाया,
Should we allow Pakistani artists to work here? Now, there are two answers, and both of them equally logical. And you can, toss a coin to find the right answer. जी उसमें ये है कि देखिए, it has been a one-way traffic. Nusrat Fateh Ali came to India, Mehdi Hasan came to India, Ghulam Ali came to India, Noor Jahan once visited India, and we gave them great reception. They were great events, great performance. And Faiz Ahmad Faiz, who was the poet of the subcontinent, I won't say a Pakistani poet. He was living in Pakistan because he was born there, but he was the poet of subcontinent, a poet of peace and love. When he came to India, during Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee's prime ministership, he was treated like a state head. The kind of respect he was given by the government and the way they looked after him and so on. But I'm afraid this has never been reciprocated. I have no complaint with the people of Pakistan. They love people. Big poets of Pakistan have written poems of Lata Mangeshkar. I'm quite convinced that, say, in 70s or 60s, Lata Mangeshkar, hands down, was the most popular Indian in Pakistan. But why there was not a single performance of Lata Mangeshkar in Pakistan? Why? We have received the artist with open arms, but it was not reciprocated by the establishment. I won't complain it to the people of Pakistan because they loved her. That's why she was so popular. And the poets were writing poems on her. And major poets, not ordinary people. So they admired her. But there was some blockage. And the blockage was in the system. Now, I don't understand their system to that extent. And perhaps many don't. And most of the Pakistanis also don't, I suppose. So ये वन वे जो ट्रैफिक है, इसमें कहीं हमको टायर्डनेस आती है कि भाई ये बात तो ठीक नहीं है, तुम्हारी तरफ से तो हमें रिस्पांस मिलता नहीं है, तो वो कब तक चलेगा, तो कहीं ये है। दूसरा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू जो है वो भी इक्वली वैलिड है। वो ये है कि इफ़ वी ब्लॉक पाकिस्तानी आर्टिस्ट इन इंडिया विद अ वेरी सॉलिड लॉजिक, who are we pleasing in Pakistan? The army and the fundamentalists. This is what they want. A tall wall between India and Pakistan, so the Pakistanis should not be able to see what kind of freedom, what kind of privilege an average citizen of India enjoys. They want the distance because that suits them. This kind of bonhomie that we are working with Pakistani artists, it doesn't suit them at all. Because then they go back, then they tell about Indian society, and they are so privileged and happy that they got this opportunity. It's not appreciated by the right wing there. So are we pleasing the right wing? Are we helping them by banning it? This is also a question. But then both of them are equally valid. And if they are banned, and particularly whatever has happened recently, after that, I mean, this should not even be a topic at the moment. There is hardly any friendly feeling, any warmth because of what has happened in Pahalgam. So this is not the time to even think about it. This could be thought in better times, and hopefully after some years, some sense will prevail, and there will be better attitude towards India from the establishment of Pakistan, and then this can be considered. But at the moment, this question should not be asked. Not possible.
इसी बीच फवाद खान की कमबैक फिल्म अबीर गुलाल को इंडिया में बैन कर दिया गया है। वानी कपूर के साथ लीड रोल में नजर आने वाले फवाद की ये फिल्म 9 मई को रिलीज होने वाली थी।